The Fox 17 Morning Mix Grill is powered by Altogas.
It's another beautiful day out here on the Altogas patio, and we all know that football and food go hand in hand. Chef Anne Hicks is here. Wouldn't it be nice to have a chef at your tailgate? That'd be nice. Well, she's going to at least give you some great recipes that you can wow your guests at. Thanks for being here again. Great to see you, Anne.
Thank you. So good to see you too.
Absolutely.
I'm so pumped to be here. So excited to show you guys some really great recipes that you don't normally think about, but are better than any tailgating items you've ever had.
Oh, okay, better than you've ever had.
And you can do it on the grill. So people, when they think grill, they don't think oven, but really today we're gonna use our grill like it's an oven.
Okay.
And it's gonna be chef kiss.
What's up first?
Well, the first is open up our grill.
All right. We got it nice and hot.
And we're gonna get some, we're gonna get some
onion.
And we're gonna throw a little butter in there with that, because the butter makes the juice.
All right, butter makes it better, that's what I say.
The butter makes it better, that's exactly right. So get our butter on there.
Onions, butter.
Yep, and you're gonna stir that up.
Okay, all right.
And while you're stirring that up, we're gonna give it a little salt and a little pepper.
Salt and pepper on it.
Because you gotta have it.
Gotta have the seasoning.
As that comes together, we're gonna take some yummy, these are rancho style beans, rancho style pinto beans, so they have a little bit of flavor in them.
Okay, that's what the rancho means. It's got a little seasoning in there too.
I strain them, so I don't want any, but I don't rinse them. So I strain them, so it's not all the fluid.
But don't rinse them, because that's all the flavor.
You got it.
All right, okay.
Mike, you and I make a good team. Right here, right here.
We're gonna feed everybody, Ann.
And
We're feeding everybody.
Heat
I'm your sous chef.
You're doing great.
That's heating up. I'm not gonna leave that there.
Yeah.
All right.
Now, with that
so far,
heating
three ingredients:
up,
onions,
this is going to be simple. We're almost done, to be honest with you. Enchilada sauce.
Okay.
Goes right in. Now we're going to stir that up.
Okay.
And after you stir that up, this is where the fun comes in for you. You're going to start mashing these beans. So at about with that little masher.
Okay, you got a masher, thank God.
I'm here for you. Phew, am I ever.
All right, so you just mash.
You're
right?
doing great.
Doing mashing.
Doing great.
And what happens when it's all done mashing?
So once you're done mashing, we're going to fold in about a half cup of sour cream.
Okay.
And we're going to fold in a half cup of shredded Monterey Jack cheese.
Okay.
So we got that going for us.
Is there a magic of television finished product that we're going to get? Oh, thank goodness.
Fold it. You're not folding.
I'm not folding.
Folding. I mean, I said fold. And we're going to give some cheese to this. And then honestly, we can put this down.
Boom.
Magically put that down. And as we do, we come over here and she's finished
look,
and gorgeous, but she needs to be topped. And this is what I have you for.
All right. Oh, you want a little onion?
Onion on top. We're gonna go wild.
Go for it. All right.
Oh yeah, you just see that? You just have some fun. Yes, avocado. You serve this beautiful mixture. Good, you're doing amazing.
All right, we got onions.
And we got tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Scallions. Serve it with some hot sauce. Serve it with some chips. And you have a little sour cream on the side. Get in there.
Okay, this is the dip. You weren't kidding.
Dip.
People are going to see this and they're going to think, oh, it's another bean dip. And then they're going to try it and it's going to be ridiculous.
Are we going in together?
All right, let's do it. Hold on.
I
got it. Oh, it's so thick. I broke my chip.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah. What she's doing is how I feel inside too. That's really yummy.
That was so good.
It is yummy.
So easy. Literally, you can put it together in 5 seconds.
Yeah, and if you don't have a grill, you can put that in your oven.
Put it in your oven.
Yeah.
Perfect for going on the road. Perfect for staying at home for the big game. That's your deal.
Okay, that's going to be a dip. It's got a little heat there.
That's the rancho.
I like that spice.
I like it. So for people who like spice, you have it there. Just enough. And if people want more, they can get their own hot sauce.
Absolutely, yeah.
We're not done.
Put the sriracha on there. We're not done because I see little tater tot
We're
cups.
just not done.
What are these?
Listen, you thought you were going to come to work and it was going to be Friday, and you're wrong. Okay, so we're making little vehicles for deliciousness.
Vehicles for deliciousness.
That's right. So you're going to take tater tots.
Okay.
And you're going to push them in lightly.
Where do you get one of these guys?
Pampered Chef.
Pampered Chef.
Love you.
It's a little masher?
Yeah, a little masher.
Oh, it's a muddler.
It's right.
For like drinks.
But I got it for muffins.
Yeah.
Actually for this years ago. And so you just mash it in a little, okay?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. And then you do 2 per little mini tin. Now, if you had a big tin, you can do big muffin tin. You'd do 4 or 5.
Okay.
Put them in the oven.
Got it?
And by the oven, I mean...
she means or the grill. Or the grill.
We're going to set that
that's
on the
looking
grill.
cheesy.
And we're going to let those toast up. Takes about 10 minutes. And do you see what we have here?
Yeah.
Do you see it?
This is like the best, because tater tots, you can't put stuff in the tater tot.
You get it.
This tater tot,
this is the vehicle.
you can put stuff in.
Okay.
I like
First
that.
thing I'm going to do, though, because I like salt.
Salt and pepper? Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Salt them up.
Okay.
You salt
Is it-
them
is it-
up.
is it- oh, it's a button.
It's a button.
Oh, it's so fancy.
She's fancy.
She's so bougie.
We're gonna give a little sour cream, and then while I'm doing the sour cream,
Yes.
you come around with the bacon.
The bacon.
Yeah. And we
That's-
get these.
is that French, the bacon?
Kind of is today.
Okay.
We're a little French
Bacon is
today.
what we're saying, in case
This is yeah. But if you watched any of Ratatouille, you know that it's bacon.
Bacon.
That's what it is. You got,
I love Ratatouille. Yeah, we've seen it.
Favorite
Absolutely.
show, favorite ride in Disney. I'm not gonna lie.
You could put anything you want into these.
It's the vehicle to make your mouth
Like
so
how
happy.
do you like your tots?
Right,
Because
how do you like
can
your tots?
build your little tot cups the way you want
We're
to.
gonna set that there. Okay.
And
You wanna shave some more onion?
Sure. We'll get a little onion on there. All right, so you got onion. I'm not even looking.
I love that. And you don't have to.
at
That's the
that.
beauty of it, because this is a tailgate. Nobody looks. They really just eat so they don't feel drunk.
There's a tagline for your next tailgate.
Just kidding.
Build your base up. No,
There you go. There you go. So you have a beautiful little vehicle.
Yeah.
Cheers.
I'll top with yours.
Okay, let's do it.
I have words to say, so I'm going to let you eat, and I'll tell everyone.
Okay.
Well, actually, I won't. I'll eat, and I'll let you tell. Oh, too late.
I couldn't help it. Delicious.
Hold on. Yeah. I mean, it's your top. Top fans are going to love this. Chef, where can we find these recipes? Where can I
You
go?
can find these recipes if you follow me on Anne Michelle Hicks on Instagram. Also on my Facebook page, Anne Michelle Hicks. I'll have everything listed, posted for you to take to your next tailgate.
Sounds great. Happy dining.